Welcome to Class 10 Insight. In today's class, we shall be discussing one of the numerical which is very important from your examination point of view. A train travels at an average speed for a distance of 63 km and then travels a distance of 72 km at an average speed of 6 km per hour more than its original speed. So what does that it mean? There was, if at all we take the average speed as x, if this was the speed with which the train travels 63 kilometers, 6 kilometer per hour, x plus 6, it will be 6 x plus 6 kilometer per hour more while traveling a distance of 72 kilometer. So it is 6 kilometer per hour more than its original speed. What was the original speed? It is x. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, then what is its original average speed? Let us take the original average speed as x. So this was the original speed, original average speed, that is what we are supposed to find. Since the unit is kilometer per hour mentioned everywhere, we will take it as kilometer per hour, no issues. The speed at which, the speed at which the train travels to cover 63 kilometers, it is x kilometer per hour. Then, what is the speed the train is going to attain to cover 72 kilometers? It is 6 kilometer per hour more than the original average speed. So, that is x plus 6 kilometer per hour. So, from these given parameters, we came to know that we know the speed and we also know the distance. Speed, it is also unknown, but we know how much it has increased. And we know the total time taken to cover this journey, that is 63 plus 72. And we also know one formula which is going to relate all these three parameters, that is speed is equal to distance by time taken. That implies time is equal to distance by speed. Using this equation, we will solve the complete problem. So, we know the speed, we know the distance. In the first case, when it is traveling 63 kilometers, we know the distance. Distance is 63 kilometers. And we also know the speed, that is x kilometer per hour. From this formula, can we write that the time taken in case 1 to cover the first distance of 63 kilometers, distance is 63 and speed is x. We can take this as equation 1. Case 2. When the distance it is traveling is 72 kilometer, what is the speed? The speed is x plus 6 kilometer per hour. So, can we write the time taken to cover the distances using this formula? Yes, that is distance is 72 and speed is x plus 6. Let us take this as equation 2. From the question, we came to know that it takes 3 hours for the whole journey, to complete the whole journey. That is equation 1 plus equation 2 will be equal to 3 hours, because this is the time taken in the first case and this is the time taken in the second case. This total will be equal to 3 hours. So, in the form of equation, it can be written as, if you take this as T1 and T2, so the total time capital T will be equal to T1 plus T2. So, what is the total time taken according to the given parameters? Total time is 3. That is equal to, what is T1 from equation 1? It is 63 by x. What is T2 from equation 2? It is 72 by x plus 6. Since denominators are different, let us take LCM. So, that is x into x plus 6. Changing the numerators, 63 into x plus 6 plus 72 into x. Take the denominator to the LHS, that is 3x into x plus 6 is equal to 63 into x plus 6 plus 72x. On multiplying 3x, we get it as 3x square plus 18x, that is equal to 63x. Multiply with both the terms, 63 into 6 is 378 plus 72x plus 72x 3x square plus 18x is equal to 63 plus 72 is 135x plus 378. Take all the terms to LHS. So 3x square plus 18x minus 135x minus 378 is equal to 0. Again we have like terms here. On simplifying them, 3x square, one is positive and one is negative. So we will subtract and we will write the greater number sign. On subtracting 135 and 18, we get it as 117x. Greater number sign is negative, so we take it as negative. Minus 378 is equal to 0. We can take 3 as common, so remaining is x square minus 39x minus 126 is equal to 0. If we take 3 to RHS, it is 0 divided by 3, nothing but 0 itself. So we are left with x square minus 39x minus 126 is equal to 0. So on checking with the factors, 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. These are the factors. On checking with the different combinations, because when we multiply we are getting 126. On simplifying we should get minus 39. So the combination of factors I take is, I'll be taking is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. 42. It can be done by trial and error also. 42 minus 3, we will be getting 39. Since I need minus 39, I'll take the greater number as minus 42 and the smaller number as positive. So one is plus, one is minus. So on subtracting, and we will be taking a greater number sign. Hence we got minus 39. So the factors are minus 42x plus 3x minus 126 is equal to 0. Taking x common here, x minus 42 plus taking 3 common here, 3 into x minus 42 is equal to 0. X minus 42 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 42 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. X is equal to 42 or x is equal to minus 3. Since speed cannot be negative, this value of x is overruled. So what is the value of x? It is 42 km per hour. That is the average, that is the original average speed.